Listen to how loud that. Listen to how loud that is. Shh, quiet. Here it is.
Bro, let me see. You getting this?
Listen, yeah, I'm getting it.
Listen.
Look at it. Look at it. Listen. Listen to how loud it is.
Listen.
Grandma, look at.
Look at how big.
Look at that.
Look at Liam.
Everybody, look. Liam, look.
Look at Liam. Oh, yeah. No, this is wrong. This is what I want to see. Holy cow.
How'd you like it?
That was so cool!
Griffith, there's wires coming out of that thing.
That's spines. That's not wires.
What kind of a jet is that?
737. That is the...
He's going to take off too with the...
Yeah, he's going to take off, but that takes about 30 minutes to reload the plane. See, look, he's turning straight at us.
Can we see everybody get off?
Well, you won't be able to. He's going to park in that gate. And see those little gray tube things? They're going to run up that tube.
Guys, those are the air bridges.
Look, there it goes. See the air bridges? Yeah. He's going to park right there at that lit up one.
Well, that goes. That was awesome. Looks even bigger.
N279AD, that's the tail number. Remember, look up, when you get home, look up N279AD, that's the tail number, and maybe you'll get this plane.
Are you going home? Well, why can't we open up the Grandma's room?
You know, you could.